Good morning students. Today we will do exercise 15.2. Okay, in this exercise we have to plot the following points on a graph sheet and verify if they lie on a line. Okay, so line graph we have to plot on x-axis and y-axis. So for line graph we have to plot the points first and we will join those points and make it a line. So different points are given here, a, b, c, d. The values on the first is of the x and the second is of the y. 4 comma 0, 4 is lies on the x-axis and 0 lies on the y-axis. So these are coordinates, x coordinate and y coordinates. So a, b, c, d are 4 points. So a 4 comma 0, where it actually lies, 4 lies on the x-axis and 0 is the origin. So 4 comma 0 is the point at x equal to 4. 4 comma 2, then 4 on the x-axis and 2 on the y-axis. So we will join that point at 4 comma 2. C point is at 4 comma 6 and D point is 4 comma 2.5. So it is between the 3 and 2 on the y-axis, and we will join the points. We will take the x-axis and y-axis and divide it on the 1 0 to 9 on both sides. Okay, then the b part and c part we have pqrs and klmn. Okay, in the same way we will first use the uh, x-axis and y-axis and plot the points first and join them at the last. So our first point is p 1 comma 1. So 1 comma 1 lies where the 1 from the x-axis and 1 from the y-axis is taken. 2 comma 2 is q, 2 from the x-axis and 2 from the y-axis. R is 3 comma 3, so 3 from the x-axis and 3 from the y-axis, and 4 comma 4 is x-axis it is 4 and y-axis it is also 4. So we can plot the given points and join the consecutive points on the graph paper as follows. Here the k element points are here. So k element 2 comma 3, 5 comma 3, 5 comma 5 and 2 comma 5. After joining them we will get the points and the graph as shown. Question number 2. Draw the line passing through the 2 comma 3 and 3 comma 2. Find the coordinates of the points at which this line meets the x-axis and y-axis. So draw the line passing through the 2 comma 3 and 3 comma 2. Okay, so we'll plot these points 2 comma 3 and 3 comma 2 and we'll pass these points. Join these points and extend this line, okay, on both sides, x-axis sides and y-axis sides, and uh, we can find the coordinates of the points at which this line meets. At the x-axis it is 5 comma 0 and at y-axis it is 0 comma 5. Write the coordinates of the vertices of each of these adjoining figures. So here we have to write the coordinates, the x component and y components. Like a, it is 2 comma 0, b it is 2 comma 3, c is 0 comma 3. Likewise we will write the pqrs and klm. Okay, we will first use the x coordinates and then y coordinates and write the xy points. State whether true or false. Correct those are false. A point whose x coordinate is 0 and y coordinate is non-zero while will lie on the y-axis. Okay, we have to state whether it is true or false. A point whose x coordinate is 0 and y coordinate is non-zero will lie on the y-axis. Okay, so a point whose x coordinate is 0 and y coordinate is non-zero will lie on the y-axis, it is true. Okay, point whose y coordinate is 0 and x coordinate is 5 will lie on y-axis, no, it is not true. because its x coordinate is 5, it will not lie on y axis, it will lie on the x axis. The coordinates of the origin are 0 0, it is true. So this is the true false, and this is the third question. Okay, so only 3 questions in this exercise. You have to complete it and write in your notebook. Okay, and make the use of pencil and graph paper to plot this graph. Okay, only on graph sheet you have to plot these points and do this exercise. Okay, you can paste the graphs on your notebook later on. Thank you. Have a nice day.